That's the first time I've managed to say that and get that out correctly in one go. Yes! Hey folks, Ben from Smoking Hot Confessions here. I hope you're well wherever you are and you got that thin blue smoke rolling. I know we have here today at the incredible Mike Carney Toyota Townsville barbecue battle. That's the first time I've managed to say that and get that out correctly in one go. Yes! It is beautiful here today, and with me I've got Travis from TB2 Smokers. Mate, how good is this?
Awesome, mate. Fantastic. This is a long time coming for Townsville, and really excited to be here finally. It's been, the committee's done a fantastic job. The layout, the rides, there's people cruising around. It's hot. It's North Queensland, and yeah, we're cooking barbecue right on the strand. What else would you want?
Could not ask for much more, mate. Not much more at all. So tell me, you've actually had to travel south for this one, haven't you? You're even further north.
Yeah, so we're 4 hours north. We live in a little place called Tinaroo, right in the Atherton Tablelands. We're about an hour north from, not north, but inland from Cairns. And we do our thing up there, and yeah, as you know, we love barbecue, and yeah, we're here and having a crack. So yeah, no, it was good.
So whereas I was here last night running around going, oh, I'm cold, warm, you would have been running around last night going, oh, it's cold.
Not really. We live on the Tablelands. It's a bit higher in altitude as well, so it's we get it's a really temperate climate, so it's quite cool up there at the moment. So we've had rain for the last probably 4 weeks straight, so it's really nice to see the sun. So yeah, no, it's good.
Yeah. Now, Travis is, of course, the inventor of the Kettle Cone.
Yeah.
Mate, that thing is going gangbusters.
Yeah, it's surprised me totally how well it's kind of gone, and yeah, I feel very privileged and very humbled that so many people support it and get behind what we're doing. We're only a small family business, and it started from absolute nothing, and it's rolling on to bigger and better things. And yeah, I can't thank the barbecue community for getting around that. So yeah, no, it's really good.
Mate, that's because you put such a great quality product out there. Now, if people are watching this and they haven't met the Kettle Cone yet, give us a quick description of what it is and what it does.
So the Kettle Cone is it's like a square-shaped prism or cone, and pretty much you load it full of charcoal, and you're cooking indirect, high heat, indirect, in a Weber style or a bullet smoker, and we make a few different models. Mainly we try and pride ourselves on customer service and stuff like that, but yeah, getting that really high temperature, indirect cooking, very easy. You can turn it upside down as well, and I love doing reverse seared steaks with it as well, so half load it, searing your steaks to 128, and then loading it up full of charcoal, putting some grill grates on it, and away you go.
Mate, sounds fantastic.
Yeah.
Now, I understand you've actually diversified now as well, and you're building smokers.
Yeah, well, that's something I really would love to get into in the future. I built my first one, a little prototype, and that's been something that I've been, I do a lot of drawing and stuff, and working on a lot of other designs as well with barbecue. I'm boilermaker by trade, so it's something that I really love doing, and it's been smokers. Yeah, it's something that will eventually happen. I need to get obviously a workshop happening. I'm just at home in the backyard at the moment. Well, not in the backyard, but yeah, it's
in your man cave.
Yeah, pretty much. And we're just that's something that we really want to keep moving forward in here in North Queensland and the rest of Australia as well. So yeah, no, it's good.
And you're actually cooking on your own smoker here this weekend?
Yeah, so we're cooking on my little, it's like a little water smoker as well. So yeah, just a little trailer smoker I pretty much built from bits and bobs, and been to a few competitions and seen different ideas of I wanted something compact that packed up easy and easy to take down, and the marquee goes up inside it, and tables fold down and they've got their own place, and Canberra sits on there, and yeah, double insulated firebox, and yeah.
Double insulated?
Yeah, so double insulated firebox. The thing is so efficient as well, and it's a little water smoker as well. So it's kind of roughly based on a Jambo style. I don't want to take anything away from Jambo. I admire Jamie Gear and what he does, and that whole style of cooking. Feeling the moisture coming out of the top of the stack is amazing, and the product it kind of brings is, they go really well. So I just need to build it a bit bigger. I'll probably build it too small, but it's something to look for in the future. When I built it, I didn't realise, I was like, oh shit, is it going to work or not? But it works, and we'll see how we go today.
Beautiful, mate. Now, is 2019 the first year you've hit the comp circuit as TB2?
We hit the comp scene in 2017 at Port Douglas at a competition up there. That's where I met Dan and Chris Davies, Dan White from Country Boys, and they've been fantastic. Really took me under their wing, and that's really how I really launched the Kettle Cone and got right into getting our brand out there as well. And kind of really growing the community up here. It's really starting to grow. We've done a few master classes and stuff like that. We've got them up, and we've got the guys from Double Barrel up as well, which is, them guys are the statesmen of barbecue in Australia as well.
Absolutely.
So, very privileged to be part of a fantastic community.
Yeah, definitely. Well, look, man, I'm going to say thanks for your time. I realise you're busy. You got hand-ins to prepare for.
Yep.
Best of luck with the competition.
Thanks, mate.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.